Christel here from Space to Love, and today I'm back in my apartment. Like I said, I'm trying to create more space here in my really small space. So behind me we have these great two pictures, but that's vertical space that's not being used, so I think two shelves are going to go up there. So anyway, I went to Ikea. I bought these two shelves, which I had actually put up in another apartment that I lived in, so I think I can handle this. But I do have another bookshelf. It's from Ikea as well, and it's just jam-packed with books, with stuff, and so I want to kind of take out some of those books, put them on the shelves here, and give myself a little breathing room. So actually I'm really excited to get started and get these up and get decluttered and organized. Okay, so these are the shelves that I'm going to put up, and it's interesting because I originally wanted the ones that were flat, and I'm sure I could just turn this around anyway if I wanted to, but they only had the beveled edge ones in stock. So I actually picked these up, and I think it looks great. I think it actually adds a little texture and a little interest to the shelving. So I'm kind of excited that actually happened. So I'm going to put those up, and then I got these simple brackets. I kind of like these straight brackets that come out, not the ones that have the little slant to it. So I think these look cleaner. I'm excited about this. And yeah, so we're going to get started. Okay, so we got these shelves up, and they were, they were easy enough to put up, I think. But anyway, I'm glad they're here. They do give me a lot of extra space. My other bookshelf is actually looking a lot better. I was able to organize that so much nicer. And then here, just like it sort of makes, with the desk and the shelves, it's like an official workstation. So it'll look really good and sort of compartmentalize each area of my very small apartment. Okay, finally, another project checked off the list, which is such a good feeling. So do you have a project around your house that you'd like to check off that list? Well, comment below. Maybe we have some tips for you. You never know. But if you do like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And we're so happy that you're here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.